welcome to my DVD collection. And today, I want you to come on, ride the up there train. Come on, ride the up there train. Come on, ride the up there train. I want to show you this one first because it's updated for a different reason, not for what's inside, but what's outside of it. Some of the stickers from this were peeling off, so I replaced them with Garfield stickers, like this one and this one. There are more Garfield stickers on this side. There's one more Garfield sticker on this side. Well, this one is updated inside. Let's see. Let's see, just in case. I replaced one of the DVDs, which I forgot, with Little Nicky. It's the one where, yeah, spoiler alert if you haven't seen it, his father is Satan, and his mother is a literal angel. And yes, they do play Highway to Hell to this one. Wrestling 2. I replaced two animated DVDs with this one, Clockwork Orange. Yeah, it's a Stanley Kubrick's Clockwork Orange. And yes, the Clockwork Orange House of Fun from TNA is based on this movie. And Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas. I want to see if I have more of this. Well, I guess that's it. Thank you for come on, Randy. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'll still put it in the town corner, but no. Okay, just for this. And that was come on, ride the up there train, come on, ride the up there train, come on, ride the up there train, oh, yeah. I know. That's the best I could come up with on such short notice. Yeah. I know. I don't know where to put the rest of it. Anyway, see you next time.